This is how to download and install the AMD graphics driver for Windows. First thing we'll do is go to the bottom left to search here and look up settings. In settings, we're going to go to system and right here about, and we're going to figure out what kind of processor we have. I have an Intel, but for you, if you have an AMD Ryzen, we're going to keep this information in mind. We're going to open up any browser of our choice and we're going to look up AMD drivers. Now there should be an option here for AMD.com, AMD drivers and support. Let's press on that. So depending what kind of processor you have, we're going to head on over here. And let's say I have a Ryzen processor 7 and one of these specifically. Let's say I have specifically this one. But for you, this could be completely different. You could have a Ryzen 9 or Ryzen 5. Go ahead and look up your appropriate one that says right here. Once you've found it, we're going to press on submit. There are going to be two options. You either download for Windows 11 or 10. The way you find that out is going back to this page, about page, and look up right here. I have Windows 10, but you might have Windows 11. So since I have Windows 10, I'm going to open up this, and we're going to go to the most recent one right here, and click on download. It's going to start downloading right here. Once this finishes up, I'm going to follow through the steps of installing it. It's really only 3 steps that you have to go through. Where you want your file to be located, where you want the graphics card location to be at, and installing and opening it. That is how to download and install AMD graphics driver on your Windows.